din Richard update. Yan, batch 2 ng Christmas sa McDo ni Alden sa Binan Highway. Kaya si Alden, mag-speech muna sa dyan.
Yan, hello guys, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. And siyempre, marami sa inyo ngayon ko lang yata nakita in person and first time kong na-meet, no? Pero first and foremost, gusto ko mag-thank you for all your hard work and sa lahat ng dedication na binibigay niyo for our store. Maraming salamat. Of course, sana huwag kayo magsawa, sana huwag kayo mapasok or every time na nararamdaman natin yan. It's not how many times you fall down, but how many times you get up. I think it's sa mga bagay na dapat natin kino-consider. And of course, isa sa mga dapat na pina-prioritize natin when it comes to having a business such as this is of course yung customer service is number one. Kasi yun yung reason kung bakit nila tayo babalik-balikan. Kahit marami pa tayong kalaban dyan. Siguro one thing that we can be proud of is we can give quality customer service to our customers, no? So I would like to thank each and every one of you. Maraming salamat for being part of the family. And mag-enjoy lang tayo ngayong gabi. At manalo tayo ng raffle at makita tayo ng mga palong-palong talent. Let's go!
Grabe si Alden eh.
And also, I would like to invite Miss Joy to come here in front.
Si Mama Tin. Kasama ni Alden si Mama Tin. Nanginiwanan ni Alden Hinalo-halo na yung karapol dyan sa Christmas party. End-year party. Then nakuli si Alden.
Congratulations to all the winners. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayong gabi. Of course, it's only comes once a year. Pero siyempre parang sulit naman din yung punta ko ngayon. Mag-picture, photo-op tayo, pero by group. Yan, may segments kaming ginawa kanina. So yun yung gawin natin.
Okay, so we will have
Yan yung photo op.
3, 2, 1,
Ako si Alden.
3, 2, 1. Wait lang po. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Tama po, last one po. Sorry, last one.
Yung empleyado ni Alden.
3, 2, 1. Smile.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for my update. See ya.